Good evening, gentlemen. Kaisa kok sawan mo kumasahay kaisa kok sawan mo juga to share kai mo suwa ani experience no. So iwe tumang ka mane actually ani bu mungkin Karuna Jamatia ang Saudi Arabia Riyadh as a professional nurse kai tomani. Inke nero to sina Saudi Middle East war solo we tongo. Dito to sina. It's very bad situation and very bad. Inke and ang flight book kaila ha several times like but canceling bar canceling ha. Inke ang tumak hanya palma yang like depression ka tumak hanya itani bad situation like environment hayang ni dong. Inke ang tumak hanya palma ya ulok ya kaisa very ani bang belai like tumak sanai belai mane ang joto mo share kan so mom inke ang sini Bubagra no ang inform ma khai ho nga hai to ha Bubagra so tumak hanya so inke buana tumak ni ka buano so don't worry I will help you out inke ang like really ang like bukan kaisa like stressness depression tong mani like thangai pai ha bo ha ka sakene inke bo ano flight book khai la ha it's such a big amount and really he is a good man such a good man and both how don't worry inke book khai ra kan ke nang no to su ang ta Riyadh at puro sok khai jak na din ani behind no Riyadh tak boarding so le nang te so tong we inke ana Bubagra really आप नहीं होता तो मैं अभी इधर नहीं होता मैं अभी ये सब नहीं कर पाती really I appreciate you Bubagra really I thank you with my heart really and thank you so much Bubagra thank you so much I don't have what to express you how much I feel now how much I feel good how much I feel relaxed then one time ago like actually problem kotor gitu but also like I know like we think like a minute buana help kairoka and like I feel very blessed like very like now ani butumai sana ang sawani surumi ya like igo khatam tha like he's such a good man and belai ke Bubagra na bukhabanya hambai maro belai ke na saya situation help khai mani bangai